Hello, Cleveland, and everyone from everywhere else. Hope that you're having a wonderful day. Almost the weekend. Yeah, it's a Thursday today, and the weekend's coming up. I hope you guys have some fun plans. Don't be over trading if you're a trader. All right, let's get into the charts. So, from yesterday, where we were making our video right around here at the precipice of 99.6, we were talking about how the bulls needed to break over that 99.6 level. However, if they did not, then they would get rejected back down to retest this local support here at 97.5. And lo and behold, the bulls did break up over that 99.6 level. In fact, even here on the 90-minute chart, it did flip that level to support for a brief moment for about an hour and, or I'm sorry, 2.5 hours, but then did fall back under that then support line and flipped it back to resistance. Currently acting as resistance again. Came back, they bounced right off of that at their 97.5 level, that local support level, and it's currently finding resistance once again at 99.6. We're basically at the same spot as yesterday. However, we do see the stochastics RSI has found its way down to oversold territory and is starting to curl back up. Curling back up is a good sign that the oscillation is starting to reverse and we'll see some more upwards movement. The RSI did dip down into bearish territory. However, you will notice that there is some hidden bullish div going on here on the 90-minute chart as well, with a lower low. What the heck? There it is, with a lower low being formed on RSI and a higher low having been formed here on price action. That is a hidden bullish divergence. That possibly signals that the bulls have some strength and could, let's see if they can have enough strength though to break up over that 99.6 level once again, because again, we need to break over that level. Not just that level, but we need to break over this 102 level that we've been talking about, 102.5, 102.6, 102.7, whatever. That level needs to be broken in order for this bear flag from the 6-hour chart to be invalidated. Yeah, I had to redo some of this stuff because I forgot to click save up here yesterday, and so my computer restarted itself overnight and I lost all of the data, so I just had to kind of like put it back together before the video to make it look the way that it did yesterday, but there was a few things missing. Okay, so back to the 90-minute chart. You will see that with price action having found support there, while stochastics have moved down and RSI is showing a bullish div, well, we're seeing, what that would mean is that we're seeing a little bull flag form as well. Saw bottom there, saw top there, there's the bull flag, and if we move the pole to the breakout point, that would give us our move. This move would bring us right up to 108,000, right up to our all-time high. So let's see if the bulls got it. If the bulls got it, they'll probably push right through this support or this resistance level. It's kind of a weak one. It did find resistance here, there, and found support here, there, but only those two touches for that level. So that's kind of a weak level. So you would assume that if this bull flag does play out, we would skip right past it and go right back up to retesting our all-time highs. Barring the bull flag succeeding here on the 90-minute chart, we are still in this bear flag. We are still putting in lower highs here, visible on the 6-hour chart, visible on the daily chart as well. I'll mark it here on the daily. Lower highs. Now, if those lower highs continue, now those lower highs suggest a continuation of the downward trend that we're seeing. We are seeing the lows stopping here, but the highs are still going lower. Flat lows and lower highs is a descending triangle. I'm going to get rid of this this inverted head and shoulders that we were looking at yesterday to draw this triangle. Because a triangle, a descending triangle such as this, let's make this blue for clarity. But yeah, a downward triangle, a downward trending triangle, or I'm sorry, a descending triangle as it's called, is a bearish pattern. It would have a play out of, it would have a play out from the tip, from the top to the bottom, and that would move it down over here, and that would bring us where? Well, right to 79. The same level as this bear flag. I'm going to move the bear flag target just on the 6-hour chart there, just to clean up this daily a little bit. So yeah, we're seeing this unless the bulls can break up over that 102 level we've been talking about, then we're forming this descending flag or descending triangle. Descending triangle would have a play out down to 79, just the same as this bear flag. So yeah, things aren't looking good for, the next week or two, unless the bulls can literally find strength right here, right now, and make this bull flag play out. I'm going to get rid of the flaggy flag. Oopsies. Let's bring that one back. And let's get rid of that flaggy flag. But you know it's there. You saw it. Let's keep it. Back. You know what? Let's also keep the pole. Why not? And we're going to turn the whole thing blue for better visibility. Yeah? I'm about it. You about it? Not this one. You. I want you. I want you. And I want you. And I want to turn all of you blue. Why didn't you turn blue? Alright, let me turn you blue. I'm going to get rid of this confluence line because that's played out already. And we're going to clean up the daily just a little bit too. This can go away. This was support, what now resistance. This can stay, and actually that support, but now old support now acting as resistance, can be extended outwards to kind of give us an idea of where the next resistance might be the next time that price action breaks up over all-time highs, whether that's this month, next month, or the month following. I mean, we definitely could just, move sideways. We definitely could move down to those targets that we've talked about, and we definitely can move up. It's hard to tell which way it's going to go right now because there's so many signs going in both directions. But looking at the 90 minutes, today is a decision day. If the bulls can bust through there, then great. If they can't, then they lose some of these supports, then we're going down. If these supports hold and the resistance hold, then we're just going to see sideways movement. There's nothing else we can really predict out of it. So yeah, that's about it. The Stokes here don't look like they're, good. They're in overbought on the 6-hour chart. However, with the Stokes showing upwards momentum here on the 90-minute chart out of oversold territory, there's a possibility that Stokes here on the 6-hour chart could get stuck up here in overbought territory and continue this move up that we can see happening here on the RSI. The RSI is in bullish territory, showing bullish momentum by being over its signal line. Same thing here on the daily. But again, and the daily Stokes looks strong. Looks like it wants to move up. But again, all eyes here on the 90-minute chart to see if this 99.6 level can break. again and actually be flipped to support here on the 90, and then actually get flipped to support here on the 6 hour, and then actually get flipped to support here on the daily. That would be great. That's what I want to see. I want to see 99.6 flip to support. If that can happen, I'm going to remain bullish up to that 102 level. But if we can't break 99.6, then watch for these local supports and 94, the major support, to hold, and for sideways movement to come on for the next few days. Guess we'll see if those supports can hold. If those supports can't hold, then we're going to see that downwards movement. Where to? Well, probably first back down to the bottom of our pattern, near 91-ish, 92-ish. And if that can't hold, well, then we're going to see those breaks down to the targets we talked about. Alrighty. Video is over. I can tell because I am out of music. So thank you for watching. Music provided by Veloa. Much love. See you later.